Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, February 19th, 2021. It is Fun Fact Friday, ending the week that started with Mardi Gras break and the Mardi Gras celebration that was a little different this year. Our fun fact is about Mardi Gras. The first Mardi Gras celebrations took place in Mobile, Alabama in 1703. The city hosts the second largest party after New Orleans. The first Mardi Gras parade in New Orleans took place in 1837. It wasn't until 1857 that floats appeared in the parade. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have cheese toast or biscuit, and for lunch, we have ham or turkey sub. Today for Monday for breakfast, we have Pop-Tart, and lunch, we have pizza or calzone. Today's birthday is Ashton Beeman. Happy birthday! We have a couple of quick announcements. Teachers, if you know that parents are picking up materials, supplies, certificates, anything for your class, please be sure to send it all to the office so that we do not have to interrupt your instructional time to get the needed items. Anytime a parent requests it, just go ahead and send it on down, and Miss Antone has an area where she keeps those, and it's a lot easier on everyone. Also, please review the late duty schedule. It is your responsibility to cover your duty if you are not able to stay. Same goes for car duty, bus duty. If you have any kind of duty in the afternoons or in the mornings, and you are not going to be out, you are not going to be at school that day, please make sure that you have asked someone to cover your class. Important dates. Today, I hope you got finished with your math DRC online tools training practice in your classroom yesterday. Today, you'll be doing your reading DRC online tools practice in your classroom. Teachers, the students need to be very familiar with this when we get to the test. So this is a great time for them to be practicing and asking lots of questions. On Monday, we have our flipped faculty meeting, which will bring us into preparing for our ACAP testing in the lab practice. That's grades 3 through 5. We'll be in the lab. February 24th, we have PST. February 25th, we have Spring Picture Day. February 26th is mid-quarter. Everything needs to be complete by mid-quarter. February 26th, also the Math Fluency Kit training should be done. And after that, we have ACAP testing. The word of the day is bar graph. I am sure most of our students here at Kate Shepherd have seen a bar graph before. Probably some of you have made a bar graph. So word of the day is bar graph. It is a graph that uses height or length of rectangles, we call them bars, to compare data. Okay, so sometimes we might use this to compare which subject a student likes better than the other, or which flavor ice cream, or lots of different things to compare how many people choose one item over another item. So, bar graph. It's a graph with bars on it. That's an easy one. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.